is my first and only contract. Travel a little bit more. I wish I would have been able to explore Japan just a little bit more. There are so many moments that you have here in Japan, but my most memorable would have to be my birthday party, 25th birthday party on a boat, just cruising down Shinsai, all white, everything, and I was in pink. It's actually okay to spend time with yourself. A lot of people don't realize that you have to learn yourself to move forward in life. And if you don't take the time to learn yourself, you can't move forward. So I learned a lot about myself being here, being without family and stuff. So take time to spend alone. Hi, my name is Tatanisa Wilson, and this is my farewell.
Sitting here, playing it over and over in my head. Could it be something I said? What did I do wrong to put us here? But I'm not the one who brought us here. Back in